Halo semuanya. Video kali ini berisi kalimat-kalimat yang umum dipakai dalam percakapan sehari-hari. Latihlah kalimat-kalimat tersebut dan Anda akan cepat mahir dalam berbahasa Inggris. Mari langsung saja kita mulai.
How can I improve my chances? How can I improve my chances?
Bagaimana saya bisa meningkatkan peluang saya?
By practicing more and staying focused. By practicing more and staying focused.
Dengan lebih banyak berlatih dan tetap fokus.
Do you believe in second chances? Do you believe in second chances?
Apakah kamu percaya pada kesempatan kedua?
Yes, everyone deserves another opportunity. Yes, everyone deserves another opportunity.
Ya, setiap orang berhak mendapatkan kesempatan kedua.
What made you move abroad? What made you move abroad?
Apa yang membuat kamu pindah ke luar negeri?
I got a great opportunity there. I got a great opportunity there.
Saya mendapat kesempatan bagus di sana.
Do you want to move closer? Do you want to move closer?
Apakah Anda ingin pindah lebih dekat?
Yes, I want a better view. Yes, I want a better view.
Ya, saya ingin mendapatkan pemandangan yang lebih baik.
What happens after this event? What happens after this event?
Apa yang terjadi setelah acara ini?
We will continue with another activity. We will continue with another activity.
Kita akan melanjutkan dengan aktivitas lain.
When is the assignment deadline? When is the assignment deadline?
Kapan batas waktu pengumpulan tugas?
The assignment deadline is next Monday. The assignment deadline is next Monday.
Batas waktu tugas ini adalah Senin depan.
Why is this presentation so important? Why is this presentation so important?
Mengapa presentasi ini begitu penting?
This presentation is key to our success. This presentation is key to our success.
Presentasi ini adalah kunci keberhasilan kita.
Can you help with the removal of this table? Can you help with the removal of this table?
Bisakah Anda membantu memindahkan meja ini?
Yes, I can assist with the removal. Yes, I can assist with the removal.
Ya, saya bisa membantu dengan pemindahannya.
Is it a good chance to invest now? Is it a good chance to invest now?
Apakah ini kesempatan yang baik untuk berinvestasi sekarang?
It could be, but we need more information. It could be, but we need more information.
Bisa jadi, tapi kita butuh lebih banyak informasi.
How do taxes impact a company's revenue? How do taxes impact a company's revenue?
Bagaimana pajak memengaruhi pendapatan perusahaan?
Taxes reduce the net revenue earned. Taxes reduce the net revenue earned.
Pajak mengurangi pendapatan bersih yang diperoleh.
Where are they going now? Where are they going now?
Kemana mereka pergi sekarang?
They're heading to the new restaurant downtown. They're heading to the new restaurant downtown.
Mereka menuju restoran baru di pusat kota.
What do you think of this gift? What do you think of this gift?
Apa pendapatmu tentang hadiah ini?
I think it's wonderful and very thoughtful. I think it's wonderful and very thoughtful.
Saya pikir ini luar biasa dan sangat perhatian.
What did you enjoy the most? What did you enjoy the most?
Apa yang paling kamu nikmati?
I enjoyed the outdoor activities the most. I enjoyed the outdoor activities the most.
Saya paling menikmati kegiatan luar ruangan.
Can you save me one? Can you save me one?
Bisakah kamu menyimpan satu untukku?
Sure, I'll keep one aside for you. Sure, I'll keep one aside for you.
Tentu, saya akan menyimpan satu untukmu.
Were the questions tough? Were the questions tough?
Apakah pertanyaannya sulit?
Yes, some of them were quite challenging. Yes, some of them were quite challenging.
Ya, beberapa di antaranya cukup menantang.
Who helped you with that project? Who helped you with that project?
Siapa yang membantumu dengan proyek itu?
My colleague helped me a lot with it. My colleague helped me a lot with it.
Rekan kerja saya banyak membantu saya.
What kind of music do you usually listen to? What kind of music do you usually listen to?
Jenis musik apa yang biasanya kamu dengarkan?
I mostly listen to pop and classical music. I mostly listen to pop and classical music.
Saya kebanyakan mendengarkan musik pop dan klasik.
Do you have any hobbies or interests? Do you have any hobbies or interests?
Apakah kamu punya hobi atau minat tertentu?
Yes, I love painting and playing the guitar. Yes, I love painting and playing the guitar.
Ya, saya suka melukis dan bermain gitar.
Have you ever traveled to another country? Have you ever traveled to another country?
Apakah kamu pernah bepergian ke negara lain?
Yes, I visited Japan last year, and it was an amazing experience. Yes, I visited Japan last year, and it was an amazing experience.
Ya, saya mengunjungi Jepang tahun lalu, dan itu adalah pengalaman yang luar biasa.
What's the best advice you've ever received? What's the best advice you've ever received?
Apa nasihat terbaik yang pernah kamu terima?
The best advice was to always believe in myself, no matter what. The best advice was to always believe in myself, no matter what.
Nasihat terbaik adalah selalu percaya pada diri sendiri, apapun yang terjadi.
How often do you take the train? How often do you take the train?
Seberapa sering kamu naik kereta?
I usually take the train to work every day. I usually take the train to work every day.
Saya biasanya naik kereta ke kantor setiap hari.
What kind of treatment did you receive? What kind of treatment did you receive?
Jenis perawatan apa yang kamu terima?
I received treatment for my skin condition. I received treatment for my skin condition.
Saya menerima perawatan untuk masalah kulit saya.
Which country is in the eastern direction? Which country is in the eastern direction?
Negara mana yang ada di arah timur?
Japan is located in the eastern part of Asia. Japan is located in the eastern part of Asia.
Jepang terletak di bagian timur Asia.
When do you usually take a break? When do you usually take a break?
Kapan kamu biasanya istirahat?
I usually take a break around noon every day. I usually take a break around noon every day.
Saya biasanya istirahat sekitar siang setiap hari.
Can you give a brief introduction? Can you give a brief introduction?
Bisakah kamu memberikan perkenalan singkat?
Sure. I am a teacher and love learning. Sure. I am a teacher and love learning.
Tentu, saya seorang guru dan suka belajar.
Have you heard from Lydia lately? Have you heard from Lydia lately?
Apakah kamu mendengar kabar dari Lydia akhir-akhir ini?
Yes, she called last week. She's doing well. Yes, she called last week. She's doing well.
Ya, dia menelepon minggu lalu. Dia baik-baik saja.
How's work been lately? How's work been lately?
Bagaimana pekerjaanmu akhir-akhir ini?
Work has been quite busy but rewarding. Work has been quite busy but rewarding.
Pekerjaan cukup sibuk tapi memuaskan.
Have you met Tom and James? Have you met Tom and James?
Apakah kamu sudah bertemu Tom dan James?
Yes, I've met them at the local sports club. Yes, I've met them at the local sports club.
Ya, saya sudah bertemu mereka di klub olahraga lokal.
How often do they play? How often do they play?
Seberapa sering mereka bermain?
They play twice a week. They play twice a week.
Mereka bermain 2 kali seminggu.
Can I help with anything? Can I help with anything?
Bisakah saya membantu dengan sesuatu?
Yes, you can help by setting the table. Yes, you can help by setting the table.
Ya, kamu bisa membantu dengan menyiapkan meja.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
Apakah kamu memiliki anak?
No, I don't have any children. No, I don't have any children.
Tidak, saya tidak memiliki anak.
Did you talk to Sarah? Did you talk to Sarah?
Apakah kamu berbicara dengan Sarah?
Yes, I spoke with her about the upcoming event. Yes, I spoke with her about the upcoming event.
Ya, saya berbicara dengannya tentang acara mendatang.
Is it something important? Is it something important?
Apakah itu sesuatu yang penting?
Yes, it's very important for the project. Yes, it's very important for the project.
Ya, itu sangat penting untuk proyek tersebut.
Do you know where the book is? Do you know where the book is?
Apakah kamu tahu di mana bukunya?
Yes, it's on the shelf in the living room. Yes, it's on the shelf in the living room.
Ya, ada di rak di ruang tamu.
How was your test? How was your test?
Bagaimana ujianmu?
It was challenging, but I think I did okay. It was challenging, but I think I did okay.
Ujiannya menantang, tapi saya rasa saya baik-baik saja.
Do you use sunscreen every day? Do you use sunscreen every day?
Apakah kamu menggunakan tabir surya setiap hari?
Yes, I always wear sunscreen for protection. Yes, I always wear sunscreen for protection.
Ya, saya selalu menggunakan tabir surya untuk perlindungan.
How do you keep your spirit up? How do you keep your spirit up?
Bagaimana cara kamu menjaga semangatmu?
I listen to music and talk with friends. I listen to music and talk with friends.
Saya mendengarkan musik dan berbicara dengan teman.
Have you ever been scuba diving? Have you ever been scuba diving?
Apakah kamu pernah menyelam dengan scuba?
Yes, I went scuba diving last year and it was incredible. Yes, I went scuba diving last year and it was incredible.
Ya, saya pergi menyelam dengan scuba tahun lalu dan itu luar biasa.
Have you ever traveled to Europe? Have you ever traveled to Europe?
Apakah kamu pernah bepergian ke Eropa?
Yes, I traveled to Europe a few years ago and loved it. Yes, I traveled to Europe a few years ago and loved it.
Ya, saya bepergian ke Eropa beberapa tahun lalu dan sangat menyukainya.
Do you often visit this park? Do you often visit this park?
Apakah kamu sering mengunjungi taman ini?
Yes, I visit this park almost every weekend. Yes, I visit this park almost every weekend.
Ya, saya mengunjungi taman ini hampir setiap akhir pekan.
Do you like classical music? Do you like classical music?
Apakah kamu suka musik klasik?
Yes, I enjoy classical music, especially Beethoven. Yes, I enjoy classical music, especially Beethoven.
Ya, saya suka musik klasik, terutama Beethoven.
Have you read that book? Have you read that book?
Apakah kamu sudah membaca buku itu?
Yes, I read it last month. Yes, I read it last month.
Ya, saya membacanya bulan lalu.
How's the weather in your city today? How's the weather in your city today?
Bagaimana cuaca di kotamu hari ini?
It's sunny and warm today. It's sunny and warm today.
Hari ini cerah dan hangat.
How are you today? How are you today?
Bagaimana kabarmu hari ini?
I'm feeling great today, thanks. I'm feeling great today, thanks.
Saya merasa sangat baik hari ini. Terima kasih.
When are you meeting the new client? When are you meeting the new client?
Kapan kamu akan bertemu dengan klien baru?
I'm meeting them on Thursday afternoon. I'm meeting them on Thursday afternoon.
Saya akan bertemu mereka pada Kamis sore.
What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
Apa yang kamu lakukan di waktu luangmu?
I enjoy hiking and playing video games. I enjoy hiking and playing video games.
Saya suka mendaki dan bermain video game.
How do you stay healthy? How do you stay healthy?
Bagaimana kamu menjaga kesehatan?
I eat fruits and vegetables every day. I eat fruits and vegetables every day.
Saya makan buah dan sayuran setiap hari.
When do you usually go shopping? When do you usually go shopping?
Kapan kamu biasanya berbelanja?
I usually go shopping on Saturdays. I usually go shopping on Saturdays.
Saya biasanya berbelanja pada hari Sabtu.
What do you want to be in future? What do you want to be in future?
Kamu ingin jadi apa di masa depan?
I want to be a doctor and help people. I want to be a doctor and help people.
Saya ingin menjadi dokter dan membantu orang.
Can you ride a bicycle? Can you ride a bicycle?
Apakah kamu bisa mengendarai sepeda?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle very well. Yes, I can ride a bicycle very well.
Ya, saya bisa mengendarai sepeda dengan baik.
Can you fill out this form? Can you fill out this form?
Bisakah kamu mengisi formulir ini?
Yes, I can fill out the form quickly now. Yes, I can fill out the form quickly now.
Ya, saya bisa mengisi formulir ini dengan cepat sekarang.
What is the transmission in a car? What is the transmission in a car?
Apa itu transmisi dalam mobil?
The transmission helps change the car's speed. The transmission helps change the car's speed.
Transmisi membantu mengubah kecepatan mobil.
Did you hear about the company's acquisition? Did you hear about the company's acquisition?
Apakah kamu mendengar tentang akuisisi perusahaan itu?
Yes, they acquired a smaller company recently. Yes, they acquired a smaller company recently.
Ya, mereka mengakuisisi perusahaan kecil baru-baru ini.
Why do you feel sad today? Why do you feel sad today?
Mengapa kamu merasa sedih hari ini?
I feel sad because my friend is moving away. I feel sad because my friend is moving away.
Saya merasa sedih karena teman saya pindah.
Do you use a highlighter when studying? Do you use a highlighter when studying?
Apakah kamu menggunakan pen highlighter saat belajar?
Yes, I highlight important notes for studying. Yes, I highlight important notes for studying.
Ya, saya menandai catatan penting saat belajar.
Have you ever traveled in a caravan? Have you ever traveled in a caravan?
Apakah kamu pernah bepergian dengan karavan?
Yes, I traveled in a caravan last summer. Yes, I traveled in a caravan last summer.
Ya, saya bepergian dengan karavan musim panas lalu.
What seasoning do you like to use? What seasoning do you like to use?
Bumbu apa yang kamu suka gunakan?
I love using garlic and onion seasoning. I love using garlic and onion seasoning.
Saya suka menggunakan bumbu bawang putih dan bawang bombay.
How is your vision without glasses? How is your vision without glasses?
Bagaimana penglihatanmu tanpa kacamata?
My vision is blurry without my glasses on. My vision is blurry without my glasses on.
Penglihatan saya kabur, tanpa kacamata.
Can you sprint to the finish line? Can you sprint to the finish line?
Bisakah kamu berlari cepat ke garis finish?
Yes, I can sprint very fast when needed. Yes, I can sprint very fast when needed.
Ya, saya bisa berlari sangat cepat jika diperlukan.
What do you like to read in your free time? What do you like to read in your free time?
Apa yang kamu suka baca di waktu luangmu?
I enjoy reading novels and interesting articles. I enjoy reading novels and interesting articles.
Saya suka membaca novel dan artikel menarik.
Do you have the tickets? Do you have the tickets?
Apakah kamu memiliki tiketnya?
Yes, I have them right here. Yes, I have them right here.
Ya, saya memilikinya di sini.
Is this the one you'd like? Is this the one you'd like?
Apakah ini yang Anda inginkan?
Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for.
Ya, ini persis apa yang saya cari.
Do you have a particular color in mind? Do you have a particular color in mind?
Apakah kamu memiliki warna tertentu dalam pikiran?
Yes, I'm looking for something in blue. Yes, I'm looking for something in blue.
Ya, saya mencari sesuatu dalam warna biru.
Did you try her cookies? Did you try her cookies?
Apakah kamu sudah mencoba kue buatannya?
Yes, they were delicious and perfectly baked. Yes, they were delicious and perfectly baked.
Ya, kue itu enak dan dipanggang dengan sempurna.
Do you know where she's going? Do you know where she's going?
Apakah kamu tahu kemana dia akan pergi?
She's planning a trip to Europe. She's planning a trip to Europe.
Dia merencanakan perjalanan ke Eropa.
Can you solve this problem? Can you solve this problem?
Bisakah kamu menyelesaikan masalah ini?
Yes, let me take a look at it. Yes, let me take a look at it.
Ya, biarkan saya melihatnya.
Is this your first trip abroad? Is this your first trip abroad?
Apakah ini perjalanan pertamamu ke luar negeri?
Yes, it's my first time traveling outside the country. Yes, it's my first time traveling outside the country.
Ya, ini pertama kalinya saya bepergian ke luar negeri.
Did she come with him? Did she come with him?
Apakah dia datang bersamanya?
No, she came alone. No, she came alone.
Tidak, dia datang sendiri.
What's the issue? What's the issue?
Apa masalahnya?
The item didn't match the description online. The item didn't match the description online.
Barangnya tidak sesuai dengan deskripsi online.
Have you seen Sarah swim? Have you seen Sarah swim?
Apakah kamu pernah melihat Sarah berenang?
Yes, she swims very well and has great technique. Yes, she swims very well and has great technique.
Ya, dia berenang dengan sangat baik dan memiliki teknik yang bagus.
What makes your heart feel happy? What makes your heart feel happy?
Apa yang membuat hatimu merasa bahagia?
Spending time with friends makes me happy. Spending time with friends makes me happy.
Menghabiskan waktu dengan teman membuat saya bahagia.
Can you show me how to say that word? Can you show me how to say that word?
Bisakah kamu menunjukkan cara mengucapkan kata itu?
Yes, I can show you how to say it. Yes, I can show you how to say it.
Ya, saya bisa menunjukkan cara mengucapkannya.
How do doctors diagnose illnesses? How do doctors diagnose illnesses?
Bagaimana dokter mendiagnosis penyakit?
Doctors diagnose illnesses through tests. Doctors diagnose illnesses through tests.
Dokter mendiagnosis penyakit melalui tes.
Did you watch the latest episode of that series? Did you watch the latest episode of that series?
Apakah kamu menonton episode terbaru dari seri itu?
Yes, I watched it last night. It was really exciting. Yes, I watched it last night. It was really exciting.
Ya, saya menontonnya tadi malam. Itu sangat menarik.
Do you enjoy hiking in the mountains? Do you enjoy hiking in the mountains?
Apakah kamu menikmati mendaki di pegunungan?
Yes, I love hiking in the mountains. It's very refreshing. Yes, I love hiking in the mountains. It's very refreshing.
Ya, saya suka mendaki di pegunungan. Itu sangat menyegarkan.
Will you attend the conference this year? Will you attend the conference this year?
Apakah kamu akan menghadiri konferensi tahun ini?
Yes, I plan to attend and learn more about the latest trends. Yes, I plan to attend and learn more about the latest trends.
Ya, saya berencana untuk hadir dan belajar lebih banyak tentang tren terbaru.
Do you practice meditation regularly? Do you practice meditation regularly?
Apakah kamu rutin bermeditasi?
Yes, it helps me relax and focus better. Yes, it helps me relax and focus better.
Iya, itu membantu saya bersantai dan lebih fokus.
Is this sweater warm enough for winter? Is this sweater warm enough for winter?
Apakah sweater ini cukup hangat untuk musim dingin?
Yes, it's very warm and comfortable to wear. Yes, it's very warm and comfortable to wear.
Ya, ini sangat hangat dan nyaman dipakai.
How do you stay carefree in life? How do you stay carefree in life?
Bagaimana kamu tetap santai dalam hidup?
I focus on positivity and enjoy small things. I focus on positivity and enjoy small things.
Saya fokus pada hal-hal positif dan menikmati hal kecil.
What is your favorite saying or quote? What is your favorite saying or quote?
Apa pepatah atau kutipan favoritmu?
My favorite saying is, stay positive always. My favorite saying is, stay positive always.
Pepatah favorit saya adalah, tetap positif selalu.
Do you like to walk by the riverside? Do you like to walk by the riverside?
Apakah kamu suka berjalan di tepi sungai?
Yes, it's a peaceful and beautiful place. Yes, it's a peaceful and beautiful place.
Ya, itu tempat yang damai dan indah.
Do you use conditioner for your hair? Do you use conditioner for your hair?
Apakah kamu menggunakan kondisioner untuk rambutmu?
Yes, it makes my hair smooth and shiny. Yes, it makes my hair smooth and shiny.
Ya, itu membuat rambut saya halus dan berkilau.
What are the symptoms of a concussion? What are the symptoms of a concussion?
Apa gejala gegar otak?
Symptoms include headaches and dizziness often. Symptoms include headaches and dizziness often.
Gejalanya termasuk sakit kepala dan sering merasa pusing.
Did you reserve a table for dinner? Did you reserve a table for dinner?
Apakah kamu sudah memesan meja untuk makan malam?
Yes, I reserved a table for 6 people. Yes, I reserved a table for 6 people.
Ya, saya sudah memesan meja untuk 6 orang.
Can you back the car into the garage? Can you back the car into the garage?
Bisakah kamu mundurkan mobil ke garasi?
Yes, I can back the car in safely. Yes, I can back the car in safely.
Ya, saya bisa memundurkan mobil dengan aman.
What is the profit margin for this product? What is the profit margin for this product?
Berapa margin keuntungan untuk produk ini?
The profit margin is around 20%. The profit margin is around 20%.
Margin keuntungan sekitar 20%.
Where is the center of the city? Where is the center of the city?
Di mana pusat kota?
The center is near the main square. The center is near the main square.
Pusatnya dekat dengan alun-alun utama.
Do you own a tripod for your camera? Do you own a tripod for your camera?
Apakah kamu punya tripod untuk kameramu?
Yes, I use a tripod for stable photos. Yes, I use a tripod for stable photos.
Ya, saya menggunakan tripod untuk foto yang stabil.
What is the minimum age for voting? What is the minimum age for voting?
Berapa usia minimum untuk memilih?
The minimum age for voting is 18 years. The minimum age for voting is 18 years.
Usia minimum untuk memilih adalah 18 tahun.
What type of keyboard do you prefer? What type of keyboard do you prefer?
Jenis keyboard apa yang kamu suka?
I prefer a mechanical keyboard for typing. I prefer a mechanical keyboard for typing.
Saya lebih suka keyboard mekanik untuk mengetik.
How does this function work? How does this function work?
Bagaimana fungsi ini bekerja?
This function helps us solve problems easily. This function helps us solve problems easily.
Fungsi ini membantu kita menyelesaikan masalah dengan mudah.
What do you see under a microscope? What do you see under a microscope?
Apa yang kamu lihat di bawah mikroskop?
You can see tiny cells and bacteria clearly. You can see tiny cells and bacteria clearly.
Kamu bisa melihat sel-sel kecil dan bakteri dengan jelas.
What is your dream career? What is your dream career?
Apa karir impianmu?
My dream career is to become a successful author. My dream career is to become a successful author.
Karir impian saya adalah menjadi penulis sukses.
Where can I find a bench to sit on? Where can I find a bench to sit on?
Di mana saya bisa menemukan bangku untuk duduk?
There's a bench in the park nearby. There's a bench in the park nearby.
Ada bangku di taman dekat sini.
How can we accelerate the project timeline? How can we accelerate the project timeline?
Bagaimana kita bisa mempercepat waktu proyek?
We can add more resources to help out. We can add more resources to help out.
Kita bisa menambahkan lebih banyak sumber daya untuk membantu.